Who wrote Pride and Prejudice? What is the most spoken language by native speakers? Who authored 1984? How many plays did Shakespeare write? What is the most widely read book in the world? Who wrote The Great Gatsby? What is the longest word in English? Who wrote Moby Dick? How many official languages does India have? Who authored Jane Eyre? What is the oldest known book in the world? Who wrote Wuthering Heights? How many languages are spoken in Africa? Who authored the Odyssey? What is the most translated book ever? Who wrote Beloved? How many sonnets are attributed to Shakespeare? Who authored 100 Years of Solitude? What is the official language of Brazil? Who wrote The Catcher in the Rye? How many vowels are in the English alphabet? Who authored Crime and Punishment? Who wrote The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? Who authored Anna Karenina? Who wrote The Picture of Dorian Gray? Who authored Frankenstein? Who wrote The Brothers Karamazov? Who authored Paradise Lost? Who wrote the Iliad? Who authored A Tale of Two Cities?